Welcome to Bulltown News, where we present headlines that will shape the future of cryptocurrencies. Artificial intelligence predicts the price of Polygon. The SEC and cryptocurrencies have a clear winner. Silvergate's bankruptcy could put several cryptocurrencies at risk. Bitcoin could drop to $9,000, and more than $3.3 billion USDC is at risk. There is also a story of an investor who accidentally paid more than $2 million for 5 cents. Bitcoin spikes 8.7% as banks tremble, and Ethereum is gearing up for its big leap with the Shanghai Capella upgrade. Subscribe to stay always informed about what's happening in the crypto world and investments. Let's go! Artificial intelligence predicts the price of Polygon.
Artificial intelligence has projected that the price of Polygon could continue its bearish path by the end of 2023, with a possible price of $0.463660, representing a 58.6% decrease from its current price. However, in the long term, AI sees an increase in the price of Polygon to $5.30 over a period of 1 year, representing a 373.21% gain. The Matic ecosystem has been rapidly growing with partnerships with major international brands, and the team is working on Polygon ZK EVM, generating interest in the crypto community.
SEC loses to cryptocurrencies.
The SEC has been blocked by a judge in the Southern District of New York, who has prohibited the agency from interfering in a cryptocurrency bankruptcy case by asserting that a new cryptographic asset is a security. Judge Michael Wiles has stated that he will not allow the SEC to punish executives and advisors working on proposals to create a new token that would help reimburse customers. The SEC objected to the bankruptcy proceedings of Voyager, a cryptocurrency lender, earlier this year, but Judge Wiles has criticized the agency's interference and said he will not allow its stance to harm the judicial process.
Danger for cryptocurrencies, Silvergate bankruptcy.
The Silvergate Bank has announced that it will close its operations, causing great concern in the crypto industry. The banking entity had previously informed the SEC that it had capitalization problems and was re-evaluating its business, showing a clear alarm signal. Although the company has assured that it will fully reimburse its customers' deposits, its closure has led major companies such as Coinbase, Paxos, Circle, Galaxy Digital, and CBOE to stop transactions to and from Silvergate. The bank's problems are not only due to exposure to the crypto industry but also to traditional banking risks, suggesting that the situation is even more serious.
Bitcoin could fall to $9,000.
The price of Bitcoin has fallen to a 3-week low after the chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, suggested that the bank will continue with aggressive monetary policies. The price has fallen by over 12% and has reached $19,628 before recovering to around $19,958. Gareth Soloway, the chief market strategist at In the Money Stocks, warned that Bitcoin could fall further, with a target of $13,000 to $9,000. He also noted that it could take longer for Bitcoin to recover from this bear market.
$3.3 billion USDC in danger after collapse of Silicon Valley Bank.
Circle, the cryptographic payment company behind the stablecoin USDC, confirmed on Friday night that $3.3 billion of the funds backing its currency are held in Silicon Valley Bank, which collapsed on the same day and was placed under the custody of the FDIC. The news prompted criticism of Circle on Twitter, as some users felt the company was not transparent enough about its exposure to the bank. As a result of the situation, USDC experienced a deviation from its $1 value and dropped around 2% on certain decentralized finance platforms.
Paid more than $2 million for 5 cents of USDT in attempt to avoid market crash. A USDC investor paid over $2 million to receive 5 cents of USDT in an attempt to avoid the cryptocurrency market crash. After Circle revealed that Silicon Valley Bank did not transfer $3.3 billion of its USDC reserves, the market responded with a massive sell-off, causing the stablecoin to depeg from the US dollar. To cut losses, some investors started selling their USDC tokens in exchange for other stablecoins, such as USDT. However, one investor made an error by not setting an appropriate price limit, allowing a MEV bot to earn $2.045 million in profit from the transaction. Banks tremble as Bitcoin surges 8.7%. The price of Bitcoin has increased by 8.7%, reaching $22,111, while the Biden administration is rushing to prevent the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank that could trigger a massive run on U.S. regional banks. The U.S. Department of Treasury is holding a series of emergency meetings to determine whether it should guarantee that all SVB deposits are refunded following its sudden collapse. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, originally created the cryptocurrency as a response and alternative to the modern banking system. As confidence in U.S. banks decreases, the demand for Bitcoin increases. Banks collapse as Bitcoin rises to nearly $25,000.
Banks are collapsing as Bitcoin rises to nearly $25,000. U.S. authorities promise to protect the deposits of failed Silicon Valley and Signature banks, leading to a 20% increase in Bitcoin and Ether from their lows last Friday. The Federal Reserve and Treasury also offered quick access to cash for lenders, providing FDIC insurance to uninsured depositors of Silicon Valley Bank. According to Mike Novogratz and Arthur Hayes, cryptocurrencies will hardly recover without a shift in direction from the Fed.
Ethereum is gearing up for its big leap. Shanghai Capella update. The Ethereum developers will carry out the final test before the launch of the highly anticipated Shanghai Capella, or Shapella, update on the Goerli test network. If the tests go well, the update will be released on the main network next month. The main goal of the update is to enable participant validation withdrawals on the main network, and 3 additional improvements have also been planned to optimize gas costs for certain activities. The future of Ethereum looks exciting. And with that, we say goodbye to our broadcast today. We hope you enjoyed our news on cryptocurrencies. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest crypto world news, don't forget to subscribe to our Bulltown, Finance and Technology channel and turn on notifications. Also, if you liked our content, please give it a like and share our video with your friends and family. We would also love to hear your comments and opinions, so don't hesitate to leave us your messages, which we will be reading and responding to. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the crypto world, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.